Elliot Evans. Llwyddo i giro Disney fyna Roscro. Yn o'r pwysau ar Holmes a Byrne. Yn diwedd. Ar bel hir. A nawr, holl ffordd ochr draw. Mae Insel yn codi'r bel dros Lang. Y bel hir gan Byrne. Wrth iddo fe fod am bwysau. Yn cael ei gasglu gan Insel. A Lang yn cael ei giro. Wel, uniongyrchol ac effeithiol i Cei Connah. 10 munud o'r ail hanner wedi mynd Harry Owen. Mae'n apelio am lawio. Mae'n apelio cryf, ond na meddwl Richard Harrington y dyfarnwr. Wel, oedd y gecrydd gan Harry Owen. Di peri eiliad o panic. Richard Harrington am gael gair gyda Bryn Markham Jones, y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol. No, falle bod apelio wedi bod bach yn rhy gryf. Oddi ar y fainc. Christian Edwards ar Caerdydd melyn. Cosby yn canol yn tria. Lledydd i at Warman, ond oedd y bel yn fyr. Poole yn gyrru'r bel heibio McCarthy. McCarthy ni dynnu fel lawr. A McCarthy, dyna'r ail Caerdydd melyn. Yn cael Caerdydd melyn yn y funud gynta. A McCarthy yn cael Cerdyn coch. A nawr, yna fynydd i ddringo i myfyrwyr. Adam Roscro. Adam Roscro yn curo Byrne. Byrne yn cysgu. A Roscro ddim yn rhoi digon o bwer ar ergyd. Oedd wedi'n neud y gwaith caled yn ennill y bel. A di Met yn gallu achub pwynt. Oman. Ar croesiad, Cosby. Roedd cyfle i Price. Godi'r bel tuag at Emlyn Lewis. Harry Owen a Roberts! Ar eilydd! Yn y munudau ychwanegol! I ennill pwynt i ymyfyrwyr. Brandon Roberts. Gol gyntaf fe. I Met Caerdydd. A nawr, mae rhaid bod rhediad Cei Connah heb ennill yn codi i 8 gêm.
I don't think we're great. I think we've done enough to win the game. We started well. We were asked questions early on, first half hour, got through to half time. Second half was a bit of a non-entity game. There was no chances. Our keeper hasn't had a real chance to save. Their keeper hasn't had a real chance to save. And I think it would have been probably only right the game drifting out to a 1-0 win, as there was not much action in either penalty area apart from our own mistakes. And again, we've switched off from a second or third phase of a set play, and people haven't picked their man up. They've drifted off, they've ball watched, they've got attracted to the ball, and it's dropped to the person that hasn't been marked, and he's scored in the 94th minute, which is heart-wrenching again. Very similar to Haverfordwest. We've done enough to win the game, in my opinion. And like I said, Ollie hasn't had a save to make, the goalkeeper, and it's just, it's heart-wrenching.
Christian, a dramatic end to the game. A point well deserved, though?
I think so. Yeah, absolutely. The game started quite frantically, and we didn't get to grips with it. And they score from a nothing, really, from us attacking. But really, in the entire game, other than the 2 goals, there was 1 shot on target between 2 teams. So it tells you that there was fine margins today. But when we go down to 10 men, we were the team that looked likely to score, and I think we deserved that at the end with that 93rd minute equaliser.